Well, replacing an axle. Passenger side's jacked up. Painted my front lip finally. Got a new house. 3-car garage. This last video, I don't think I've really done anything inside I can think of. I did get this though. Little spoolie boy. Whole set. Got the manifold. Gotta have that thin blue line. But I got my manifold here. Just gotta get the rest of the stuff. Gotta get all my piping. I still need a lot of stuff. I'm gonna try to get it all before winter, but we'll see how it goes. I'm probably just gonna run about 7 pounds. I don't want to run a whole lot, so I still want it safe, but I don't know if I ever should. I did do OLEDs on my cluster. LEDs there. Then, alright, turn the key over. LEDs down there. There. Got the flip out. All that good stuff. I think that's pretty much it. Just gotta work on getting my turbo stuff together. You know, bills come first, so hopefully I can get it all together. Besides that, I've been driving the hell out of it. I drive it almost every day, but this axle started popping a couple days ago, so I just went ahead and got a new axle and replaced it. I got the other tire off, just checked all the suspension in the front, make sure everything's good, which it is. Everything's fine. I mean, it's all brand new. It's all rubber for burnouts. Yeah, a lot of rubber in there. Oh, I did get a new header. I've already destroyed it, as you can see. But it's got a full Yanaka exhaust on it. I went and had went to go get my windows tinted. And the tint place I went to go pull my car in their garage. And they hit the lip pulling into their bay. And completely ripped and destroyed my other exhaust that was on here. Completely mangled it. I mean, they did replace it, so I really can't complain, but that's pretty much it on the update of this. I just gotta get the money to do the turbo kit. I got the manifold and turbo, but I need everything else. This winter, I'm pulling the motor out for sure, redoing the bay, cleaning that all up. I think a slip turned out pretty good though. Not bad for a rattle can job. But that's it. See you guys on the next